Pakistan here. See it suddenly, the ball is starting to move, there's not a wide. It's not going to be the wides though, it's going to be the wickets. That's what they're after, Pakistan. They got the slip in. There for Wasim Akram. So he's quite keyed up. Here's the reverse. Just when he thought he was going to shake away as the wide did, it started to dart back in towards the stumps. Just did well to get off the mark. Wow. That boomerang. This is where they are devastating. Just going to hit the ball outside the line of the off stump. Take the stumps out of it, get part of them on forward. So we're going to have to ride He's going to leave the ball. Make sure it hits the body and not anything wood first. Take the green. 29-40. There's tension in the air here, folks. Play. Beautiful bowling man as the leg cut away from the left-handed arm. Chase. When he loses his line, Wasim Akram, he relies on that inswing and to get himself back to the wicket. He's confident that he can bowl the leg cutter. Wasim Akram. Second one, I think this is slightly closer in this one. Very quick arm action. Just a little bit uncertain outside his off stump and the position of it. What are the odds on here? The ball just angling again back into his off stump here. Slip's been taken out. Oh, there it was, and that must have threatened the leg stump. Very lucky to still be there. Good take by Mohan Khan. 265 for 6. Takes one in the middle. Just carving her on half there. Mohan did well. Bouncing over the stump.